In this video, we'll be showing you how to add a ticket or product for an additional child. This can be used when you have an event where you would like to sell a full price ticket for the first child and then offer a reduced price ticket or product for additional children. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin and then Events. Then create your event. We have already created an event for this video, so if you need any further guidance on how to do this, please see the link in the description below. Now we're going to add the full price ticket for the first child by selecting Tickets and Products from the Event Management menu for the relevant event. Then select Add Product from the Manage menu. Complete all of the information for your full price ticket, including name, ticket type, price, stock quantity. I'm going to include this in the event capacity and I'm going to ask for name and class, and then click on the Add Product button. Then, to create the reduced price ticket, select Copy from the Manage menu of the full price ticket. Then click on the copied product's name or select Edit to make any necessary changes. So here I'm amending the name, reducing the price, and also including it in the event capacity. To ensure that customers are not able to just purchase the reduced price ticket, please select the full price ticket from the dependent product drop-down list. Then click on the Update Product button. In your shop page, these tickets will appear with the information shown, and it will not be possible to purchase the reduced price ticket without also purchasing the full price ticket. And that's it, you have now successfully added a ticket or product for an additional child. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.